want to get up. I don't want to. However, that ticket was $40, so I got to get up. Hi again. So the second order, well, the first order of business is the comb my hair. The person comes for at 8:40. That's what they told me. 8:40, 8:30 to pick me up, so we can go to the aquarium. Susan, cause here and in years, them the cost $2,000. Got a bad habit. She said she don't. Oh, she said, I'm a kind you know, because we care what love could keep it high and high. Remember, I don't want themselves. We never go around them. Bring no one in on the street, and we uplift them. The great baby man, not work extra speed.
Designer labels you love, all at a price you can.
Inspired by that label.
Great, the bang of phone never fail me.
Fail me.
The fact grown, I'm a baby.
Baby.
I'm a chain, I'm waiting.
Waiting.
The bang of phone never fail me.
Stuck in the past, baby.
You're the one who.
Light with load up your laptop, hot files get pinned. It's 17 straight, no fish, nothing. Fire down the fire pit.
Oh me, shit, oh god, cheesy, these rich can't take a god with ease. Oh my god, look at So we're ready and we're going on the road. It's 10 minutes away, you said?
Yeah.
I was gonna
You can wait here. I just gotta get the thing in the park.
Okay. We have arrived. He's gonna get the thing to park, so let me fix myself because I was in the bathroom when he came, right? And he was like, oh, I'm here. And I was like, oh shit, I'm in the bathroom. And I was like, cool, take your time. And I was like, oh, I'm doing this. And I was like, oh my god, TMI, Patrice, TMI. As I was telling you guys, the difference between my clothes and his clothes is that I am dressed, okay? I am dressed. I'm gonna give you guys an outfit of the day when I'm outside. I am dressed to the T. This boy is in a khaki shorts, not a shorts, but a khaki pants, and a what's that? And his college shirt. Okay, I don't judge him, but like it gives a perfect contrast when Kimani and I goes out. If I don't like put Kimani's clothes together, believe it, someone is gonna think he's going to a soccer game. And I am the one that's going somewhere else and he's just like dropping me off and going back home. That's the difference between Kimani and I. And no, that's the difference here. Why did I thought that no one would be here? The entire Virginia is here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Don't you guys have houses? Oh, I can't carry food inside, which sucks because that's a way of stealing from me. Why do you want to steal from me? That's not very cool of you. Well, not stealing, but I was planning to buy like chips and things. But they say we can't carry food inside because there's no food inside. What does you selling food inside have to do with me? Anyways, guys, hot or not hot, I like that. I carry it for me, like put it on my bag to carry it, to tie my outfit. I didn't send in my inspo yet. My picture inspo as it. I need to send in there so you can like, you know, work his little camera. Shit. I know I left something, you know, guys. You want to know what I left? The most crucial thing right here, my charger for my phone and his charger for the car is right in here. We're gonna suffer today. I'm gonna use this phone to take pictures probably because he has a 16 Pro Max. I have a Samsung S10, so I'm probably gonna use his phone for pictures. And then that's it. Why is entire Virginia here for real? Don't you guys have houses? Don't you guys have a home? Don't you guys have family? It's actually a weekday, right? Everybody can't have day off today. What could that work? I feel cutesy. Can mommy tell me someone look like me in the office? No, for real, I'm concerned. Because everybody is so casual and then they have me so not casual. I put on the outfit tighty. Because everybody casual. Stand out. Learn to stand out, Patrice. You need to stand out. I don't got to stand out. They're making us exercise by force. Cause the ticket was around $40, and I'm seeing everything before I leave here. Everything before I leave here. Over they have another building that is like this walk is long as half. I am still walking. I am still walking, guys. I don't know what these are, but they're so pretty. I can't. Oh, it's called the upside down jellyfish. Oh my, they're so pretty. This jelly unique lifestyle allows it to keep a algae inside its tissue and supplement its diet with photosynthesized food. What? Okay. I'm getting this. What do I want? What is kombucha?
What?
You're googling it?
I'm looking it up.
Okay. I want this. It smells good. He says it's alright. I don't know what that means. It's hot. The fries taste really seasoned. Like I'm like, it helps season and not just salt. Thank you. Thank you. We're going home because it's time for us to go home. Well, I'm going home. He's going to the doctor. Ah, it was such a fun day. Do you think I should look in Norfolk?
No.
Why?
What are you gonna do there?
Go to the place that I want to go.
Which it is.
Little outlet fee?
You think your phone about to die?
Yeah. Your auntie mom.